This is Meteorologist Matthew East, and this is the Tuesday edition of the Carolina weather video. I'm off today, but I wanted to get you a quick edition of the video cut, some of the things I'm discussing. Looks like we've got a visitor here. Come here. That's my oldest daughter, Jaden, who decided to just take part in the video here. That's just fine. Hey, say hey, Jaden.
Hey.
All right. Let's start off with the radar here across the Carolinas. In the eastern part of the state, we have mainly rain falling. There's tried to be some wet snowflakes mixing in with that. Certainly chilly there in the eastern part of the state. A lot of sunshine, though, in the central and the western part of the Carolinas today. Let's take a peek at the 6C run of the GFS. This is the operational run, and a couple things to show you here. First of all, there is that precipitation near the coast. And Arctic cold front entering the northern part of the country. That is the leading edge of some pure Arctic air that's going to be invading much of the central and eastern part of the country over the next few days. And here we are tomorrow afternoon, 1 o'clock in the afternoon on the GFS. It looks like we had another visitor here. Come here, Juliana. Okay. All right, now we got both Juliana and Jaden ready to go here. This is my oldest and youngest daughter right now. And here you go. All right, back to the GFS. 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, high pressure near Myrtle Beach, and it'll be a nice day tomorrow. A lot of sunshine for our Wednesday. A cold start, but not too bad in the afternoon. Here we are, 1 o'clock Thursday. There's that Arctic cold front moving into our area, and we might see a shower with that front Thursday. Not a big deal, though. Any rain with the front would be very, very light. All the way out now to Friday. And Friday will be a chilly day, chilly northerly wind in place as that Arctic air begins to settle on in. And the weekend is where you get some discrepancy. The GFS, the operational model, keeps us dry with this run. Again, this is the 6Z run. This is 1 o'clock Saturday afternoon. But I want to show you, this is the 0Z run of the Canadian model. And I know this is tough to see, but you have an area of low pressure off the South Carolina coast and a little bit of precipitation falling Saturday back into the Carolinas. And this is the ensembles, all the various modeling, individual model runs that actually comprise rather the GFS model. This is the individual ensembles, and I know this is impossible to see on the video, but this is for Saturday, and we're looking at several of these ensembles that are showing some precipitation in the Carolinas on Saturday. So while we probably wind up dry over the weekend, it's certainly not cut and dry. I would not rule out the possibility of some type of light snow or light rain over the weekend, but it's not looking good, but something that we're going to keep in the back of our heads as we get toward the weekend. Sunday, the GFS, this is back to the 6C operational run, keeps us dry. And here comes our next system out of the southern plains. This is Monday, and finally this is Tuesday morning. A little bit of a wedge lingering around as that next system approaches. So taken verbatim, that next system might begin as a little bit of wintry precip before switching over to all rain, but that's still a long way off. A lot can change between now and then. All right, so that's it for today's edition of the Carolina weather video. Kids, say bye. Everybody say bye. All right.
Bye.
There you go. Everyone have a great day, and God bless.